bracket for fiberglass creates a concrete edge with absolute simplicity. The pool must be leveled and backfilled to manufacturer's specifications. Remove dirt and mud from top of pool shell for best fit of bracket form. Due to bracket form's extended width for fiberglass pools, filament tape is required for both inner and outer radius curves. For inner radii, place the first strip inside the profile area, with a second strip and a third strip along the lower curved area. Pre-bend all curved forms by holding the form taped side away. Slowly bend while working down the form. For outer radii, place a strip on the outside of the form between the spear line and lower angle. Place a second strip higher on the form. Be patient. Do multiple passes for tighter curves. Place the form band on the pool with the tongue level to the bond beam. Using the supplied self-tapping screws, pre-pilot holes 3/4 of an inch behind the tongue of the form. Holding the form against the shell, push the spear through the tongue of the form, having the end protrude outside the form at the line. Secure spear onto fiberglass bond beam by driving a screw in pre-piloted hole. With the spear properly positioned, place the middle hole of the plastic bracket over the protruding spear, followed by sliding the self-locking button onto the spear. In any radius, first screw in a spear midway along the form, holding it for easier installation. Bend forms at a tighter radius than their placement. This evens varying draft angles of the pool wall. For skimmers, place the form band, mark, and score the needed width. Place brackets on either side of skimmer as not to screw through the housing. On both sides of any break, use a spear directly adjacent to the end of the form band. Place as close to the break as spacing will allow. Place a bracket assembly every 12 inches along the bond beam. Check all buttons and brackets, ensuring tightness to the pool shell prior to pour. Pour. Screed. Float. And trowel the surface. When the concrete has solidified to the point where the form can be removed, rotate the button, severing the spear behind the surface of the concrete. Remove detached spear, button, and bracket. Using a section of form band, wet and float the deck edge. For more detailed instructions and product availability, visit brackitform.com.